how to simulate display with cutout on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on developer options. After that, we scroll down and in here, tap on Simulate Display with Cutout. And from the list, you could choose corner cutout, double cutout, punch hole cutout. This is the punch hole cutout. And you can also choose toe cutout or waterfall cutout. And that's it. So select one of the available options and then tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.